In 2020, 18,000 zero-emissions vehicles were registered, with 67% being electric vehicles. By 2030, the International Energy Agency estimates that 145 million electric vehicles will be on the road. This indicates a rapidly growing industry with electric vehicles. But the number of repair facilities that work on EVs is not proportional to the number of EVs that will be on Canadian roads in the next decade. Canada's collision repair shops need help to prepare for the future. Collision Repair Magazine's EV Tour is here. This innovative tour across Canada is designed to educate and engage the collision repair community towards a bright EV future. Hear from experts, dispel myths, learn what's out there that you need to know, and look forward to a successful tomorrow. To learn more about the EV Tour and discover the exceptional lineup of speakers and activities, please visit our website at evrepairmag.com. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our e-zine to receive regular updates, engaging videos, and fascinating insights. Together, let's shape the future of collision repair.